All right, here we go. All right, so we're back with another video. This time I'm gonna be doing the downpipe, but I'm getting better sound from it. I have a mic taped to the back of the bumper, and that way it's gonna get like a clearer sound to it. So I'm also mic'd on my shirt, so you could hear me, and then I'm gonna cut between scenes between the GoPro, the mic on my shirt, and then the mic on the bumper. And before I continue, I just want to say thanks to Tristan. He told me about the sound actuator and how to remove it. I did that today. The only thing I messed up on is I lost one of the clips on the weather strip. Classic! But I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. So after removing the sound actuator, I could hear the actual engine, or like the actual noises coming out of the front of the hood, versus when I had the sound actuator on, which it sounded like it had a different tone to it. I also had my brother following me. He's gonna be right next to me, like 2 lanes away. That way you can see my car rolling by as we're getting these shots. So far, I have a blow-off valve, APR downpipe, and a stage 1 APR tune. The next things I want to get are an exhaust. I kind of want to get a Miltech or a AWE track exhaust. And then I want to take the next step in getting an integrated engineering intercooler, upgrading my brakes, and also I want wheels. I know I have the options like VMR, New Speed RSCs, but I want to go in the rotiform direction. I really like how it looks, the design. It's sleek. I don't know, the accents are really nice. So I want to go with rotiform RSC, 18s, 8.5s, 45 offset, my bad. And then maybe in the near future, lower the car a little bit. I don't want to be too lowered, but I want to close that gap between flush to tucked. All right, I'll do a poof home dig. So I know wheels shouldn't be the next thing on my mind, but I want to feel good about how my car looks, not just how it performs. And then the performance, you feel it, and then I know that the wheels, you won't be able to see it unless you're outside of the car. But just knowing how it looks just makes me feel good, driving it around. And I don't know, it just makes the car look completely different. After that, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with the intercooler and then go to my brakes. Because if I'm gonna be going fast, I should be able to stop. And for the brakes, I want to do Stop Tech rotors slotted, and then some EBC red stuff pads. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna drive normal, and then I'm gonna cut between the GoPro sound, my actual mic sound, and then the mic and the bumper sound. Thank you all for watching, and I'll keep you updated on the next mod.